All right guys, good afternoon. Quick tutorial on how I'd like for you guys to start uh, offering customers to get onto our shop. This is our home page here. You can see on top here we have home, services, shop. If you go to services, there's different services you can go here, but this is where I want to concentrate on. If they go to shop, they're going to be sent to this page here. This page gives us three different options. They can buy filters, they can buy services, memberships, and more, or they can look at equipment. If they look at the filters, if they already know the part number, they can go here, type in the part number, or some of our more popular filters are already on here, filters that they've already been purchased before. They can sort by different areas here, brand name, actual size, dimensions of the filter, things like that. They can do that here. If they go to memberships and more, here they can actually look at our memberships. If you want to have them look at our website to get some further information, you can look at our platinum membership. They can look at our silver membership. You can see here they can select the super tune-up for non-members. They can do a diagnostic calls. Our iFlow Pro system is here now. If they're just looking to get renew their subscription, it's here as well. Your soft start, all these are on here. If you look at this, they can actually click on it if they want to look at get a little more information. This pops up, automatically gives you a quick brief description.
Did you know that clogged air conditioning drain lines are the leading cause of leaks?
So if you're having any kind of communication issues where you don't want to go through it, you can log them right onto this. Really quick thing that you can do also is up here, even on your phone, you can always come up here to the URL. You can copy and paste that. You can text that to the customer and they can see exactly where you're at the particular time on any kind of offering that you want to show them. They can go in here, look at the videos, look at the different information that we have here, so you don't have to remember all the communication issues there. There's air duct cleanings or whole home surge protectors. That's about all I've put in there so far, but this is our online platform they can go on there and take a look at. The systems is another great option. If you don't want to get into the systems, if you don't have the sales, if you don't want to do the sales menu stuff, you can have them log on here, tell them, look, visit our website, take a look at this. It goes through a quick system design and it's easy. They go on here, click on the system, and it starts asking a couple of different questions. Of course, it's going to ask them for their name, phone number. It won't let them go through without it. Once they do that, it's going to ask them some simple questions like the size of the house, how many air conditioners they have, do they want heating and cooling, do they just want gas, electric, things like that. And then it'll size it and it'll give them a bunch of different options. This is the best way for them to get pricing. Again, they're up-to-date pricing. They can't purchase from this website. They can select it. Once it's selected, then I get a notification, and then we'll send somebody out there just to do the final design. Of course, that we need to do the heat load. We need to make sure that everything's going to fit. Check dimensions. Check electrical. However, this minimizes the amount of time that they spend with consultants or other people. If they only have availability at night, if they're doctors, if they're school teachers, if they're anybody that needs to have access to quick pricing, budgetary figures, things like that, this is a good place to get them started. Again, so we're going to start offering some programs on here. There is spiffs on here as well. So let's say if let's cancel this, get out of here. If they go on here and buy a filter, and let's say they want to buy this one here, it's going to ask them here. We're going to add to cart. It's going to ask you, how do you want to do it? Would you like auto delivery? Yes, I want auto delivery. And then it's going to ask them here, did anybody help you with this? Who helped you with this order? You're going to let them know to collect your name. Once you put it on there, now you are selected. Now it tracks it for me. You get commission. You're going to get spiff for anything you sell on here. We'll kind of let you know how that works. There is a minimum purchase history for every 30 days. But again, this is going to be the way I'm going to start grading you guys and scoring your performance on installations and maintenances and services, where we're going to have to keep a minimum at least 3 or 4 visits per month from a customer selecting your name on here. Those are going to be some ways that I know you're following the process and things like that. So any questions, I'm always here to help. Be happy to go through this with you guys a little bit deeper, but I just wanted to create something really quick and have so you can look back on.